Hello everyone, Northwestern Studios here, back with the first unboxing video of 2020. Today, that just came in the mail, is this. I just recently got a package from Japan. You know who it is by the title, but I'm going to unbox them anyways, here. So there it is. Plarail, Hurricane, and Frankie. And there's their picture right there. From the Journey Beyond Solar movie. Picture of the Japanese logo right there. So I was originally intended to have these two in December of 2019 to start in a Christmas special I was planning called A Train Taxi Christmas. You already know the specifics on that from my 2020 productions video. Well, now I finally have it. Plarail, Hurricane, and Frankie. These two are awesome models, and the Plarail Hurricane compared with the Trackmaster Hurricane, you could honestly see some differences. Especially since, Plarail Hurricane's livery is darker than the Trackmaster Hurricane's. And the Trackmaster Hurricane is not covered in soot. But notice in detail, Trackmaster Hurricane has rivets on the roof, while not the Plarail Hurricane. Interesting enough, Plarail Hurricane is almost the same color as my Trackmaster Britain, which I got in the summer of 2019. Well, now it's time to put a battery in here and see how good he runs. I also like the interesting more designs of the modern Plarail engines. The battery also goes the other way. And today he runs very well. Frankie's Plarail model also looks very well done. And this label card they came with looks very well done as well. Here's what the Plarail version looks like. Look next to the Trackmaster version. All this like detail inside the car as well. Well, just the same. Here they are. The 5 engines work at the mainland steelworks prior to the end of the journey around Sodor. Now, time for the first run. Now, it's time to give Hurricane and Frankie the first test run in Plarail. Like I said, Hurricane runs really well in Plarail mode. And the car is operating great. Okay, now since I've had her since Christmas 2019, I haven't gave Gina a test run. So now I'm just unboxing a video of Hurricane and Frankie. I'm gonna give her one real quick. Well, that was a quick test run from Gina. And I'll do one last test run with Gina pulling Frankie in the Lila car and Hurricane pulling the Drill and Theo. They don't crash into each other. Or no one falls off the track. Well, that was Plarail, Hurricanes, and Frankie's unboxing video. And those of you who may be wondering, I will remake the song The Hottest Person in Town, just like it remade We Can't Do Anything when I got Theo. But The Hottest Person in Town might not come until, a little after February. So maybe expect that either sometime between March and August, I guess. Anyways, Hurricane and Frank will appear later down in the first season of Stories from the Northwestern Railway. And the episode Steelworks Gordon. Anyways, that's all said. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh, also look out for the Stories from the Northwestern first episode premiering this Saturday. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time.